Whether it's minor skirmishes, big games, or target shooting sessions, one thing remains the same: you need to give your best performance to break the game. But it's often not possible to deliver the best result without practicing shooting before getting into the field. An airsoft gun helps a lot, especially for beginner shooters. Always a replica of a real weapon, it allows shooters to aim and shoot accurately regardless of the target's distance. Unfortunately, not all airsoft rifles offer such facilities. Hence, we've talked about the top 5 best airsoft guns for beginners based on their functions, design, and performance in today's video, so that you can load your mag, aim, and start firing.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Spice up your shooting game and take it a little bit further with this elite Force HK MP5 SD6 6mm AEG, which contains everything to meet your needs for close quarter training and target shooting. This airsoft gun comes with 2 stocks, crafted from injection molded polymer for ultimate rigidity, durability, and longevity. Plus, each stroke offers a firm and comfortable grip for precise aiming. Alongside that, this airsoft rifle features a metal alloy barrel that can shoot 6mm plastic BBs at up to 340 feet per second. And to make your shooting game more convenient, it's got an HK style ambidextrous select switch. Lastly, this 8.2-pound airsoft gun contains 2 high-cap 200-round magazines, ensuring you never run out of ammunition during the shooting training sessions. Overall, with a high-quality barrel, high-capacity magazines, and comfortable-to-hold stocks, this Elite Force HK MP5 SD6 6mm AEG will indeed help you level up your shooting skills and maximize the fun of a shooting game. Designed with high-quality material and made to provide ultimate shooting performance, the G&G Airsoft Combat Machine M4 will change the way you used to play shooting games in your backyard or shooting field. The airsoft gun features a rugged frame made out of a high tensile metal, and so it'll serve the best performance for a prolonged period and will easily endure years of abuse. Furthermore, it comes with a high-cap 450-round magazine, which can store 6mm of BBs, and this rifle contains a long barrel that helps projectiles propel at around 380 to 400 feet per second, enabling you to hit long-distance targets. Finally, weighing at around 8.5 pounds only, this airsoft gun is pretty convenient to maneuver and carry. Plus, its weight does not interfere with your accurate aiming. In summary, if you search for a high-quality yet straightforward and functional airsoft gun to practice target shooting, then this G&G Airsoft Combat Machine M4 is a good one to start with. Colt has always been a forward-thinking brand that constantly develops its firearms to ensure the best quality. This time it works with airsoft guns for beginners and comes with this high-end Colt M4A1 CQBR. This airsoft gun is primarily built with durable polymer but contains some metal components such as the gearbox. Besides, this AEG features an adjustable tan crane stock that comfortably boasts the included 1100 mAh NIMH rechargeable battery. Unlike most airsoft rifles out there, this one comes with an easy-to-load 350 150 round magazine, which will help you continue shooting 6mm of BBs at 453 feet per second for an extended period. However, when you use this included 0.20 gram BBs, its shooting speed gets down to 370 feet per second. Last but not least, it is pretty light, weighing 5.97 pounds only, promoting easy carrying. To conclude, this Colt M4A1 CQBR is loaded with all essential features of a standard airsoft gun and is appropriate for close quarters combat or other gun and gun style field play. As our second best pick, we have selected this Lancer Tactical Gen 2 SPR Interceptor, which is specially designed to meet your battle needs while making running and gunning games much more efficient and convenient. Made from rugged nylon polymer, its frame delivers optimal performance every time regardless of prolonged abuse outdoors. Moreover, this airsoft rifle features a metal barrel and gearbox, which helps ammo propel at up to 350 feet per second. The airsoft gun features a high-cap 300 rounds magazine which can hold the included 0.20 gram BBs and eliminates the fear of running out of ammo in the middle of shooting. Additionally, this ultralight 4.3 pound airsoft rifle comes with a full-length top rail for red dot sights and scopes. It also contains a removable flip-up front and rear iron sight for shooting convenience. All in all, when your shooting game requires you to get a high-end firearm for long-range shooting with utmost accuracy, you can definitely rely on this Lancer Tactical Gen 2 SPR Interceptor. It is time to reveal our top selection, which is the ASG CZ Scorpion EVO 3 ATEK, a toy version of EVO 3 but can provide you with the authentic experience of using a real gun as it's filled with everything you want in a firearm. This airsoft rifle features an ergonomic handguard and angled foregrip that get your pump seated well, resulting in better weapon control and manipulation. Apart from that, the 5.2 pounds airsoft gun comes with a high-quality 75 rounds magazine that helps you continue with the shooting game for an extended period. This shooting equipment also boasts an electronically controlled gearbox and a long barrel which work together to shoot ammo up to 394 feet per second. For your information, every projectile will carry 1.45 joule of kinetic energy to make a painful hit on your targets. In conclusion, this ASG CZ Scorpion EVO 3 ATEK looks like an accurate rifle and offers almost the same functionalities as a standard gun to level up your shooting game. So that was all about the top 5 best airsoft guns for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.